Hello, welcome to the Wise Path. Have you ever sat down to study, work, or finish something important only to find yourself checking your phone just a few minutes later? You tell yourself you will focus tomorrow. But tomorrow comes and the same thing happens again. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. The truth is, you are probably not lazy. Your brain has simply been trained to crave constant distractions. The good news, you can train it back. Today, I will show you why focus your focus is disappearing and in four simple techniques that can help you get it back. Let's begin. So first we will discuss on the real problem. Most people believe that they can't focus because they lack motivation. But that's not the real reason. Every notification, every short video, and even every quick scroll on social media gives your brain a small reward. Over time, your brain starts expecting constant stimulation, so when it's time to do something that requires patience, like studying, reading, or working, it suddenly feels boring. Your focus isn't broken, it's just been trained in the wrong direction. The good news is that what the brain learns, it can also unlearn. So, in this part, we will tell about the solution. Ask, ठीक है? The 10 minutes rule. Don't tell yourself you will work for 2 hours. That's overwhelming. Instead, make a deal with yourself. I will focus for just minutes. Only 10. Once you begin, you will often discover that continuing is much easier than starting. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Remember, starting is usually the hardest part, and we will discuss about the solution too. And another solution is remove distractions before they remove your focus. And willpower is limited, your environment is stronger. Then you can put your phone in another room, close unnecessarily all the tabs in your PCs or laptops, turn off all the notifications, and create a clean workspace. Before you begin, the fewer distractions around you and the less energy you will waste fighting them. Success isn't only about discipline, it's also about designing an environment that makes focus very easier. And another solution for this problem is work in focus sessions. That is, your brain isn't designed to stay deeply focused for hours without any break. Instead, work in short, intentional sessions. Focus completely for 25 to 30 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. During this 25 to 30 minutes, do only one task that has no multitasking and no social media, and also no checking any type of messages. You will be surprised at how much you can accomplish when your attention stays in one place. And another solution for this problem is train your brain every day. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. And also, read few pages every day, write a journal, practice meditation for 5 to 10 minutes, and even sitting quietly without touching your phone helps rebuild your attention and span. Don't expect perfection overnight. Small improvements repeatedly daily create powerful results. And also, I am telling in the end, if you have been struggling to focus, remember this: you are not lazy. Remember my point: you are not lazy, you are simply living in a world that constantly competes for your attention. The moment you start controlling your attention, you start controlling your life. Remember my point: the moment you start controlling your attention, you start controlling your life. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the Wise Path, and share this video with someone who needs it. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep watching the Wise Path. Thank you so much.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.